Alright. We're here in Gulfport, Mississippi at a building called Sienna on the coast. And this is going to be a unit tour here for 1107. The store automatically locks, and I don't quite know that code right now, so I have to have it set to be propped open because I don't want to accidentally lock myself out. But that door will automatically lock itself at some point. I will show that when we come back. There's a lot of lights in this place too. A lot of different things in here. First thing when you walk in, here's the entrance you were greeted with. Starfish-shaped lighting. All of your network and access or electrical there. Various decorations. Go to the room on the right first. This is one of the first bedrooms. The light turned off. I thought I turned all these on. Nope. I turned them all on so I could see. Someone must have used this bathroom in this bedroom. Have a dresser here. That must be the fire alarm speaker. Bed, nightstands. Looks like they have Roku and a couple other things on the TV. There's a few remotes here. I'm not sure what the one on the right is for the air conditioning or something? I'm not sure. If we open up this curtain here, if I can open it's a little caught up, but here's your view out this window. I'm not sure why that curtain is completely caught, but I can't open it. Yeah, they shut off the lights on me. Darn, I got hiccups. Wish they wouldn't have done that. In this bathroom, there's a closet. I'm not sure if that towel is clean or not. When you walk in, here's the general view of the bathroom. One of the light bulbs is out. Sink runs nicely. Comes with soap. Let's look at the toilet. Auto flush toilets. Built-in shampoo and conditioner and wash if you want to use that. It's a bathtub shower combination for this one. I might as well shut the lights off as I go. Alright, going directly across. Let's see, I believe this door automatically locked itself as well. Yep, it did. Just like I said. Go across here, we have another bedroom. Nightstands. Basic TV nightstand there. Smaller Samsung model TV. And the view from this is outside onto the front area there. If we look in the closet, oh yeah, and it does connect to the bathroom here as well, which we'll look at from the other side. The closet contains, looks like covers, blankets, some kind of kid thing there. This rollaway bed. Can sleep 7 in this room. Alright. On this side here, right next to the bedroom, is the bathroom. This is the main bathroom. Same fixtures here. So it should be, I assume, the same toilet. Yep. It's a lot bigger shower head though. The same water, or the same soap dispensers. Walking through this way, come into a very large open area. To the left first, we have some storage / utility equipment. where your water heater and furnace air conditioner are. Looks like some kind of cooking pot sitting there for some reason. Not sure why that's there. A few other little things in there, nothing too crazy. Go this way. Got a utility room closet here. Little boogie board. Samsung appliances. Take a look in them. Looks like they've been run. Either that or they closed the door instead of leaving it open as it didn't dry. This is our dryer. Not sure. Here's what that looks like. Fire extinguisher. I don't think there's really anything. There's a little bit of beach stuff. Utility there that doesn't get used to mop. Come into the kitchen here. And I do believe everything here is full utilities. Like there's pans, pots. Over on this side. Sink. I'm sure there's probably some cleaning. No, there's another fire extinguisher though. I'm not sure what else is in here. I'm sure there's silverware somewhere. Gotta be. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Got regular silverware. Is this where my light switches are? I was trying to find the light switch for these. I couldn't find it. Maybe it's the one right here. So this sink is one of those multi-mode sinks. One of these turns on the disposer. I guess it's that one. And this one, there we go. That one turns on the lights above here. There's a microwave, oven, a few more utility cabinets, a walk-in pantry. Our freezer and refrigerator are right here. The ice maker is not on, I don't think. Ice. There is ice. I'll have one. Perhaps I shouldn't have had one. Nice dining area. Really nice living room too. You got another window there. Here's the master bedroom. This must be the master closet. It is. I'm surprised that's the fixture they put in here. Here we have the master bathroom. This master bathroom is quite nice. Bathroom closet. And another toilet. Same thing here. These are all the same model. I'm not gonna flush that one. Alright, I will shut these lights off as I head out. Because we don't really need them on. Everybody's come back by now, but gives us a chance to look at the balcony view. This balcony is bigger than my entire apartment at home. Oh, and it comes with a fire strobe. That's crazy. there's the pool area. So the show pictures don't show any traffic here. So either they photoshopped the traffic out, or they got rid of, or they took the pictures during a time where there was nobody here. It's like there's pools down there that you can borrow pools. That's kind of cool. Anyhow, that will conclude this tour. That's the end of the room tour. So that is it.